Welcome history buffs and tech enthusiasts. Today we delve into the captivating world of technological innovations that have revolutionized our existence. These ingenious machines and inventions, from the simplicity of the wheel to the complexity of the World Wide Web, have indubitably shaped the contours of human history. Their influence, pervasive and profound, has propelled us from mere survival to unprecedented advancement. So strap in as we prepare to embark on a journey through time from the wheel to the World Wide Web. Our journey starts in ancient times with the invention of the wheel. This seemingly simple device, born out of human ingenuity, was a game-changer. Circa 4000 BC, our ancestors took a leap from the stationary to the mobile, revolutionizing the way we interact with our surroundings. Picture this, a world without wheels. It's a world where transportation of goods is limited to what you can carry or drag. It's a world where long-distance travel is a daunting, arduous task. But with the advent of the wheel, this all changed. Suddenly the horizon expanded, villages grew into towns, towns into cities, trade routes flourished and civilizations bloomed. The wheel wasn't just a tool for transportation, though. It found its place in agriculture as well. The humble plow, once a tool merely dragged, was transformed with the addition of wheels, increasing efficiency and changing the face of farming forever. Moreover, the wheel spun its way into the heart of industry, with the water wheel and the gear powering mills and factories, sparking an era of mechanization that set the stage for the Industrial Revolution. So while it might seem trivial to us now, surrounded by a plethora of high-tech gadgets and gizmos, the invention of the wheel was a defining moment in our history. The wheel set humanity in motion, paving the way for future inventions. Fast forward to the 15th century, when the Gutenberg press revolutionized the world of knowledge. Imagine living in a world where books were a luxury, accessible only to the wealthy and the clergy. Then, in the heart of Europe, Johannes Gutenberg introduced an innovation that would change everything: the movable type press. This wasn't just any kind of press. Gutenberg's creation was a mechanical marvel, with its hand-molded metal typesets and oil-based inks. For the first time, books could be produced in mass quantities, at a fraction of the time it took to hand-copy a single volume. But the real magic of the Gutenberg press lay in what it enabled. It wasn't just about faster book production, it was about the dissemination of knowledge. With books now widely available, people could learn, explore ideas, and share knowledge like never before. It was as if a light had been turned on in a dark room. The impact on society was profound. The Gutenberg press fueled the Renaissance, sparked the Reformation, and laid the groundwork for the scientific revolution. It democratized knowledge, giving rise to a new class of educated individuals who questioned, innovated, and pushed human progress forward. The Gutenberg press was not just a machine, it was a catalyst for change, a tool that empowered humanity to reach for new heights. The Gutenberg press opened the doors of knowledge to the masses, sparking a revolution in learning. Next stop, the Industrial Revolution, powered by the steam engine. The steam engine, a marvel of engineering, truly was the heart of the Industrial Revolution. Its operation was fairly straightforward, yet ingenious. The engine worked by heating water to create steam, which then expanded, creating pressure. This pressure was used to push a piston, turning it into mechanical energy that could power machinery. Now, picture the world before the steam engine. Manufacturing was a painstaking process dependent on the strength of humans and animals. But with the advent of the steam engine, industries were transformed. Mass production became a reality, and goods could be manufactured in large quantities, making them more accessible to everyone. The steam engine wasn't just a game-changer in the manufacturing sector, it revolutionized transportation as well. Steam-powered locomotives and ships made travel faster and more efficient, shrinking the world in a way. It connected cities and countries, fostering trade and cultural exchange on an unprecedented scale. But perhaps the most profound impact of the steam engine was on society itself. It shifted the world from an agrarian lifestyle to an urban one, as people flocked to cities for work in factories. This led to the growth of cities, a surge in population, and a boom in the economy. To sum it up, the steam engine was a key player, in shaping the world as we know it. It spurred technological advancements and paved the way for future innovations. The steam engine accelerated the pace of progress, driving us into the modern age. In the 19th century, the telegraph connected the world like never before. The telegraph, a technological marvel of its time, was a machine that could send messages over long distances using Morse code, a system of dots and dashes representing letters and numbers. Before the telegraph, information traveled only as fast as a horse could gallop or a ship could sail. But with the advent of the telegraph, a message could make its way across a continent or under an ocean in mere minutes. This was a game changer. The telegraph system was based on a simple idea: sending electrical signals across a wire. Once received, these signals were translated back into a readable message by skilled operators. This might seem simple to us now in the age of instant messaging, but back then, it was nothing short of revolutionary. The telegraph had a profound impact on society. It transformed how business was done, enabling quicker transactions and decisions. It was crucial in wars, allowing for rapid communication between commanders and their forces. It even changed journalism, with news now being able to travel faster than ever before. But perhaps the most significant change was in how we perceived distance. Suddenly, people separated by vast oceans could communicate almost instantly. The telegraph made the world feel smaller, more connected. The telegraph sparked a communication revolution, shrinking the world and bringing people closer together. Building on the telegraph, the telephone took communication to the next level. Imagine a world where you had to wait for a letter to arrive for weeks or months. Now imagine that world turned on its head with the invention of the telephone, a device that allowed you to hear the voice of your loved one, your business partner, or anyone else for that matter, in real time. No waiting, no delays. The telephone was born of necessity and invention. Alexander Graham Bell, a teacher of the deaf, patented the first practical telephone in 1876. It was a revolution in communication, a device that would fundamentally change how people interacted with each other. Over the years, the telephone underwent numerous transformations, from the rotary dial phones of the early 20th century to the touch-tone phones of the 60s, and eventually to the cordless and mobile phones we have today. Each evolution brought us closer to a world where communication is instant and ubiquitous. And the impact of the telephone, it's immeasurable. It accelerated the pace of business, enabling deals to be closed with a simple call. It made it possible for families and friends separated by vast distances to stay connected. It even made it easier for emergency services to reach those in need. The telephone made the world even smaller, transforming the way we connect with each other. Finally, we arrive at the digital age, heralded by the invention of the computer. This marvel of modern technology began its journey as immense, room-filling machines humming and whirring with the promise of unprecedented computational power. From these colossal early models, the computer evolved rapidly, shrinking in size while exponentially growing in capabilities. In the mid-20th century came the mainframes and mini-computers, their punch cards and magnetic tapes, heralding a new era of data processing. Then, as the 70s rolled in, the birth of personal computers brought this power right into our homes. The likes of the Apple II and the IBM PC democratized access to computing, opening up a world of possibilities. The 90s saw the rise of the internet, turning computers into gateways to a digital universe of information, communication, and entertainment. Fast forward to today and we have smartphones, tablets, and laptops, all descendants of that initial invention, fitting the world in our pockets and the universe at our fingertips. From banking to healthcare, education to entertainment, there's scarcely an aspect of modern life untouched by computers. They've revolutionized how we work, play, learn, and connect. They've accelerated scientific research, made space exploration a reality, and transformed the way we understand and interact with the world. The computer, the epitome of technological innovation, has reshaped our world in unimaginable ways. From the wheel to the World Wide Web, we've traced the path of technological innovation. We've journeyed through time, witnessing how the wheel started revolutions, the Gutenberg press spread knowledge, the steam engine-powered industries, the telegraph and telephone transformed communication, and the computer digitized our world. These milestones remind us how innovation has always been a catalyst for societal evolution. These inventions have shaped our past and will continue to shape our future. Subscribe for more explorations into history and technology. Until next time, stay curious.